where we explore real estate opportunities. I'm your host, Brittany, your dedicated real estate professional. Today, we'll discuss the best U.S. cities for agents, considering growth, demand, and earnings. Choosing the right city is crucial for a successful career. Our first pick is Austin, Texas. With vibrant culture, a robust job market, and a growing population, Austin is a hotbed for real estate professionals. The thriving tech industry and a continuous influx of residents create high housing demand, offering agents a chance to tap into a bustling market and capitalize on economic prosperity. Our next spotlight is Denver, Colorado. Beyond its scenery, Denver is a goldmine for agents. The city boasts a strong economy, a low unemployment rate, and young professionals seeking homeownership, creating a dynamic market for transactions. Agents in Denver enjoy a competitive market with opportunities for both residential and commercial deals. Commitment to sustainable development enhances the attractiveness of the real estate landscape. Expect a solid income and a diverse portfolio. Our third pick is Nashville, Tennessee, known as the Music City. Beyond its charm, Nashville's booming job market, affordable living, and a friendly business environment make it a prime location for agents. With a real estate market catering to a wide range of clients, Nashville provides ample opportunities for growth. The city's sense of community and the continuous influx of new residents contribute to steady demand. Success in real estate is about dedication, knowledge, and relationships. Whether Austin, Denver, Nashville, or any thriving city, the potential for a lucrative career is within your grasp. Stay tuned to Lucrative Lands for more insights. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, happy selling.